Hey, hello everyone, this is Kavya C. Welcome to my classes. In today's session, we'll be learning about acids, how they react with the different materials, or bases, how they react with the different materials. Okay, so in yesterday's session, we saw a beautiful story which has two friends and a teacher. So they discussed about acids and bases. So let us add up our concept and let's learn few more things about acids and bases. So if you are new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe and do comments to the video. So let's start. Yes, that is how acids and bases reacts with the different materials. Let's start with the metals only. Okay, so let's start with the story. One beautiful and a small story. So which has the characters like angry acid and a brave metal. Again, and a salt. So let's see what is the story. What happens one day, an angry acid that is like HCl was bubbling with the energy. So one acid was there. So what it was doing, it was bubbling with the energy. Means it was so angry that it would burn whoever comes in front of him. Again, he met an brave metal like zinc. So what might be happened? So this is the acid is so angry. Again, the metal is so brave. So in the fight, so what happened? Let's see. Even in the neighborhood also, as you can see, if someone is fighting, we'll be eager to see what happened. Whether someone dead or some person got hurt, something may happen, right? So let's see what happened here. Here, so what are the results? They had a loud reaction like fist pop. See, as you can see here, they had, that is as HCl, that is acid, and a zinc, that is a brave metal, they both had a clash. So what happened? They had a fizz pop reaction. So what are the results then? So they formed a new salt, that is like ZnCl, means zinc chloride, and released hydrogen gas. So what happened in between those, the fight between those? So what happened? They formed a salt, that is ZnCl2. Again, hydrogen gas is released. Okay, yes children, let's see next. So what by this we can say, so the conclusion will be acid plus metal reacts to form salt and hydrogen gas. So this is our main concept. So what about bases then? So what happens when bases reacts with the metals? So bases are calm. Bases are calm in nature. So when they react or when they have fight in between, fight with the metals like special metals like zinc or aluminium, so what happens? They will fizz a bit, means they will react a bit and they will also form a salt. So there is a reaction ultimately between base and a metal. For example, so as you can see here, that is zinc, that is a metal, reacts with the base, that is NaOH, so reacts to form the salt as well as hydrogen. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe and do comments to the video.